Hey everyone, welcome to the Vette Mossel. Man, this is bread. Oh wow, it's actually cooking under.
Oh, that looks incredible.
Oh man, that's how you cook bread. Do you always do it like this? This is your way.
Special skill, my
And then she's got a poiki of some red meat.
Oh, and this smells
Oh, that
incredible.
smells so good. Man, but what an awesome braai setup. Look at the size of the spade. You get a welcoming wine or a tea, so you can get an iced tea, and they're various types. Ricky got the Shannon something or other. Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Look at how awesome this is. It's Paris by the Sea. It actually means something, like Paris at the sea. There's Ricky being eaten by a shark.
Okay, so there's a set menu, right? So you come and then you'll hear a bell ringing, and that signals that it is dinner time. And as you can see, there's beach sand everywhere because we're at the beach. How cool is that? Johan looks like he's making some sort of what? A boiki.
We're going to make the mussel meat pot here.
Oh, the mussel meat pot.
And then that one's going to be the mussel half shell.
Oh, mussel half shell.
Wow.
Right, so the Vette Mossel actually makes mussels.
Yeah. And it's in the name.
The mussel there was no mussels in it.
Looking good. Oh, it must be nearly ready. Looks so good.
Amazing, eh?
It's ready. Awesome. Is that actually butter?
Salted butter.
Salted butter.
Margarine butter.
You guys don't mess around here, hey? Look at how much butter is in there. And you know butter is the healthiest of all
We're not
fats.
worried about cholesterol.
Garlic.
Garlic and chilies.
It's a great concept to bring like a piece of the Western Cape right up here and
Absolutely,
to Paris by the Sea.
for sure. So
love that.
because you'll miss it when you're not on holiday.
Yeah, no, for sure. And it's just easy to get it here. Come down from Joburg, 1 hour away.
Absolutely,
Got yourself the Western Cape.
for sure.
Oh, man. How classic. They got seagulls. Awesome. Oh, that's a bad seagull.
Just waiting to steal your chips.
Yeah, that's quite funny though. Mussels in a half shell. So of course some wine on them. Yeah, awesome. And then check out the mussel meat in the poiki. Oh wow. Oh, something else steamed. Beef.
Carrots.
Carrots.
Potatoes.
Carrots and potatoes. Vette Mossels. It finally makes sense. Well, you can see some people are bringing cooler boxes. It's 100 Rand to bring your own, or you can just buy from the bar. A lot of people choose to do the bring the cooler box. It's an awesome concept, I think.
White onion soup.
Oh no way, white onion soup powder. Oh wow.
It's gonna be amazing.
Look at that. Oh wow. Oh yeah, here comes a little ray of sunshine. Awesome, thanks Rick. Now we're braaiing. The basting for the snook.
That's it.
What is in there?
Looks like
Or you don't tell.
butter.
I'm going to tell you now.
Garlic and chili maybe, but it looks incredible.
It really does.
Wow, look at it.
And wine.
Secret, it's a secret.
It's a secret, we're not going to tell you guys.
That's it.
Wow.
Straightforward.
The bell is ringing.
Vrienden, hartelijk welkom bij de Vette Mossel. Kankerhakken. En jy laat gaan jou slag.
Johan is explaining the courses we're going to have
Daai botte. Wat jy
and
sê.
saying that we mustn't fill up on the bread. Oh, look what's going on.
Laat hulle immers net so 'n bietjie van die saus sien. When you are English speaking, then the bar is a question for you. Grab hold of the biggest mussel shell. You can get your hands on. And hold on to that because that's going to be your spoon and fork and knife for the rest of the day. Vrienden, en die dank. Baie mooi gespot. Dankie.
Thank you.
make some room somehow.
You just got to shake it down a bit or something.
Okay, so we were warned not to fill up on bread.
Yeah, we were warned, but we're going to anyway because it looks so good.
It is really good.
And we have insider knowledge that
Yeah, we got a guide explaining everything to us.
you'll shake it down.
Do you come here a lot?
I mean, he did say, hey.
Do you come here a lot?
Well, we have. I think we've come here since I was in high school. And that's
Wow.
like a really long time,
That was
yeah.
like yesterday.
Nice one, Rick.
It's one of the places where you have to like throw all of your dietary plans
Right.
out the window.
Yeah.
It's like, no, that's not going to happen today.
In case you're worried, there's still more bread coming.
That's it now.
Oh man, look at this feast. Obviously the butter hasn't melted completely in yet.
Look, it's so thick.
Yeah. But it is homemade bread in a pot under the fire.
I love bread. So we'll just grab a little piece. Look at this.
Oh, chunky bread. Oh wow, that bread is so good. Let me go for a short mussel.
Look at them, hey? And this is like typically West Coast food, West Coast of South Africa.
I need to try for you because you've got to get your big one for your spoon.
You got to find a spoon.
Oh, and this is the mussel meat with onion and butter. I wasn't kidding, there's butter on this.
Farm fresh butter.
So with a bit of bread. Mussel's on a half shell, great, but whatever you put in there.
Muscles on a half shell. Muscle power. Yeah, if you're old, you'll get it.
You got some sort of idea there, Rick?
Yeah, so mussels, you pull them off and you can tell how soft they are. So then I'm going to get in some of this sauce because it's got lovely like chili and butter.
Yeah, it's got a great flavor on it.
Put a bit of onion on there. Top it with a bit of my bread.
Uh-huh. Well, now we have a frying pan with something in it.
Now we're gonna put the vegetables in now.
That's for vegetables. Do you guys even make vegetables? Or they're just butter encrusted vegetables? And as you can see, the snook has been basted a little bit with that secret spice that he told you all about. But those mussels, whew, something else, eh?
Nice doing it.
Yeah. I just spotted something that's just so South African. Come have a look. It's not butter. It's actually like apricot jam.
Oh wow! Apricot jam on homemade bread.
Oh no, apparently not. There you go. Oh, it's just going everywhere. I can't do it. Give me a
Yes, you
sec.
can. Pull up a piece. Shove it in your mouth.
It was like so classic with the butter and the...
Help yourself, Duncan.
Help yourselves to some potatoes.
Snook and sweet potatoes.
Look at this snook. And potatoes.
Potatoes, sweet potatoes, the sweetest that you can find.
The sweetest potatoes you can find. Are they actually sweet potatoes? Or are they just potatoes?
No, they are sweet potatoes. You'll taste them.
Awesome.
Really nice.
But check out this snook. King of the West Coast, I think.
What is that?
It's sweet potatoes and this is snook.
Oh my word.
So I'm just going to lime the
Lemon, yeah.
the snook.
Oh, I think you have to watch out for bones in snook if I remember.
Yeah. They have these.
They're very bony.
Yeah. But we'll get to that because right now we're going to try the sweet potatoes.
With your
With our
newfound
spoon.
spoon.
I'm not sure if they're sweet potatoes or if they're just sweet potatoes.
I think they're sweet potatoes.
Ooh. Wow.
Properly South African sweet
Oh
potatoes.
wow, this is pudding. No kidding. When they say sweet potatoes,
But everyone was like, no, you've got to taste these. This is highly recommended.
wow. Because you can flake it off the bone. It's supposed to be like that. Try a decent sized piece. Oh wow. It just got such a good flavor. It's worth the effort to just scrape it off the bones.
What fish is it like if people don't know what snook is?
Ricky will tell you.
I must just shout out these mussels because I'm not a huge mussel fan, but these are sweet and amazing, and I ate a load of them. I am looking forward to going to the West Coast.
And Rick, I've got you some snook.
Thank you. I don't know, it's yum.
It is good, but you can't recommend it to any other type of fish. It's just snook. Yeah, get some healthiness into you. We've got some prawn tails on the go now as well. Oh, so this is the seafood poiki. We've got some fish prawns and
Calamari strips,
calamari strips.
yellowtail, kabeljauw, butterfish.
Wow. Oh man, that's looking so good. And the go-to spice. Did you make it yourself?
Yeah.
Are we getting some sort of pink sauce going in? Oh, red peppers.
We're almost halfway through the meal.
Yeah, they don't make gloves for big hands, do they?
It's always a bit of
Cheese. Oh man, cheese on top of veg.
Yeah, because we don't want healthy vegetables, we want the cheese on. Is that the meat pot?
Oh, it's coming along really nicely.
Given the nod of approval. Clean it up a bit.
Vriende, ons volgende gereg is die seepot. Ons het geelstert, kabeljauw, bottervis in daai pot. En jy het gemaak as jy nou so. Okay, ja, gaan ons volle bos en happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me.
Oh, is that like Spanish rice? What's it called? Paella type stuff.
Yeah, it's like a nice short grain. Fish.
Loads of different types of fish.
You can always come back and get more. There's a whole other pot.
There's a whole other pot. Oh, lemon.
Brilliant.
Look at that. Ooh. Steaming up the lens.
Little chunks of seafood. I don't even know what they are.
He told us there's about 5 different types of fish, including butterfish. But I don't know how you find it. You just got to spoon it on.
I think
Oh,
so.
that's a big plate you got there, Rick.
How beautiful does it look?
I know, it looks awesome. Hey, milk and cheese.
Oh, wow.
But I've come here for the beef. We've been watching it cook since we arrived.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at that.
It looks amazing.
Fall off the bone if there was bones.
Well, you need a bit of rice as well.
You think I should get some rice? Oh man.
That's a good looking plate. Let's go take some pictures. I love seafood in lemon.
Are you still using your mussel?
You have to.
That's the law.
En dan ook die banker bol was mos die ander brand in.
It's really, really delicious.
It's
They
the whole
do know seafood. It's amazing.
going for the beef. Look at that.
Oh man. Oh no way.
I cut it with my lips.
That is how you do a beef.
That is the softest beef
Wow.
you will ever eat.
If your
Ever,
mouth is
ever.
not watering already.
And the flavor on it is absolutely perfect. So of course we got some coffee and some milk. But check it out, condensed milk.
Of course, you gotta have condensed milk.
Oh, look how strong that coffee is.
Okay, let's do that. Do you think we have to use our mussel shells?
Probably because I can't find anything else.
About a teaspoon. Okay, so we're being
If you had
explained.
a Vinte Pomp, you
Yeah,
had
you would
condensed
do
milk.
that.
in yours.
Yeah, I think what you South African thing that if you go to certain restaurants, you order Vinte Pomp coffee and then you get this
And you
kind.
actually get it.
Vinte Pomp coffee.
Yeah, Vinte Pomp.
Hey everyone, I'm with Annie. Annie, is that
Yeah,
right?
Annie.
She's a famous actress here in South Africa. She played in KFC. You probably saw in the KFC ad. But anyway, she's going to be a famous actress in Hollywood. So
I am.
give
I
me a
am.
pitch.
You guys are going to see me one day in America's television.
Awesome.
If you hear the name Annie Else,
Any else?
Annie Else, yeah.
We will
that is me.
support you.
Thank you so much.
And remember, we discovered her.
These are abalone shells, palamon. So just next to the VIP cigar bar, you've got the Meermans and the Meermans. I went with Meermans, I took a guess. Oh no, look, there's a little lady. It's a really cool bathroom. Two of them.
There's actually a great kids section with some swings and things. I think this is a swimming pool here in Vette Pony. I don't know. You can climb up there and hop in. Oh, it's really full. So it's actually like more like a swimming pool than a fishing place.
How cool is this?
It is. It's actually a swimming pool. It's not for fishing.
I know for sure, swim.
I assume it's more for kids than adults, even if they are brave. You actually go up a bit, I think. It's a little bit scary in there.
I'm sure.
So there's actually more than one. There's one at Hardebeespoort, obviously the one we're in Parys, Grootbrak, and then Hermanus.
Oh, and this is just so lovely. They've got a whole wall of memories as you come in. We came in the wrong way, of course, as we do.
Oh wow, the Vette Mossel. Come hungry, come very, very hungry. It's West Coast hospitality after all. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time.